Hey guys, we just got our hands on the Boas & Wilkins Px8 007 edition, and we're going to be doing this video slightly differently. So I'm gonna unbox it today. The plastic's still on, I haven't taken it off yet. I don't know how it looks like. We're gonna unbox it together today, and I'm gonna, test it out, do all my sound tests and stuff, and then when I'm ready, we'll be filming the review portion of the video. But you guys are gonna see this, all together when the embargo lifts. So it's the 60th anniversary of James Bond. So this is the Px8 James Bond edition. On the box, you can see it all. 60 years of Bond, stuff like that. So let's open it up. Oh wow, even the box inside. 60 years of Bond. Alright. Oh, that's a nice color. So it's kind of different from, the usual black. This is like a really deep blue. Wow. I must admit, I haven't actually tried the base Px8, but I know that they've Boas & Wilkins has gone to using leather on the headband and stuff, but this is just wow. Okay, so let's take a look at the case first. On the inside of the case, you get that logo in silver, and of course you get the hidden compartment where your cables are in, so the USB-C to 3.5 and the charging USB-C to C cable. Alright, and oh, nice touch. There is the 007 on the pull tab there. Let's move on to the headphones. First off, it just feels and looks way more premium than the Px7S2, which I already thought looked really, really good. You get this brushed metal. It's slightly raised. It just feels, nice. Definitely much nicer than the Px7S2. Everything here is leather. There's no more of that fabric covering that we saw previously, and the insides of the ear cups actually have this. Nice touch. Alright, and wow, look at that! It's a red accented slider for the power and Bluetooth. That's nice. Aside from that though, it looks and feels really pretty much almost the same as the Px7. I mean, maybe not feels, but same design, same sort of arms, and they swivel, 180 as well, which is nice. There is also the 007 logo on the top of the left ear cup, I believe. And yeah. Oh, sorry, that was the right ear cup. But yeah, I mean, just feels way better than the Px7S2. I mean, I'm impressed. I like it. I like the color. Like, blue is my favorite color, so this is gorgeous. Well, that's unboxed. Next, we are actually taking a flight tomorrow, so I will actually be able to test out the ANC on these on a plane again. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We're here at the airport. We're gonna take a flight in about an hour, so let's go. Hey guys, bet you're wondering what's going on. Unfortunately, the embargo for this product got pushed up way earlier than the expected date, and right now I'm overseas, so I can't rush out the rest of the video. So this will have to be just a standalone unboxing video with that mic test clip from the airport. I'll be filming the rest of the video once I can, and will be sure to get it out for you as soon as possible. See you guys soon!